Hey traders, welcome to another video. My name is Andy Demi from the London Trading Institute, and today's video I'm going to be focusing on trading Bitcoin. So I'm going to show you a setup that I've got so you can start to use these kind of trading ideas to grow your account so that when we are ready to bottom out, you're going to be able to build your funds up to invest more into the long-term gains of Bitcoin. If you're new to our channel, guys, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Please like our content if you're enjoying what we're producing. And do go check out the Crypto and FX Traders Club if you're not already part of that community. It is a Facebook group and it's a great place to network with like-minded people and to get our daily content. Right, with that being said, guys, let's head straight into the charts. I'm going to show you exactly what I've got. So, as I said, I've been trading Bitcoin, but I've been trading very specific setups, high probability setups. And I've got one right here. Okay, I've got one right here that I am looking to take. Now, it's my view that right now, whether Bitcoin's going to go lower to 30,000 or not, right now you can kind of see, yes, we've been in this downtrend, but at the moment, the market is retracing. So it's basically moving slowly, but it's slowly moving higher. Okay, it's slowly moving higher. But it's still very much in the retracement mode. Like if you take a look at the daily charts, if we bring up, let's change this to a daily chart. You can basically see that, this is called a retracement. So the market is basically making these kind of lower lows, lower highs, retracing. And at the moment, that is just a retracement. So at some point, it may decide, it's going to go down again. Maybe it's going to go, everyone's speaking about this 30K. Okay. Maybe it's going to do that. But, the way the markets like to move, they like to move, in waves, and these kind of old support points like to become resistance points. And so if you kind of take a look at this chart here, you can see this is an old support point around that 40,000 area. Okay, so for me, there's a good strong chance that we might go all the way back up to here, to this 40,000. And then I think, there's going to be some selling pressure in this area. Now, doesn't mean it will. If you kind of look over here, for example, we had a support point here, which actually we didn't go back to. So, at some point, this will probably be hit. So don't be surprised when the bulls really do kick in here to see Bitcoin kind of really explode higher and hit this area here. So you never know. We may end up even doing this, a head and shoulders pattern here. This could be your left shoulder, your head, your right shoulder, and then we could go higher, right? That's definitely a possibility. But the point I'm trying to say here is that we're slowly grinding higher on. And so right now, because of that reason, I'm looking for buying opportunities. And so what I've done is I've identified a couple of things, but I've identified a really nice channel line here. And we also have this 200 EMA on the hourly chart. And we have various other things here, envelopes and DTRs and levels and whatever else. And fib, there's a fib level going down. So if you do the ABCD here, this is actually your 1618 zone. So I identified this area here as the area that I want to buy. Okay. And I'm looking to buy this here. And, in the kind of blue sky scenario, I would be hoping for a nice move up towards 40,000. Now, 40,400 happens to be the Fibonacci target as well. So that's, I don't know if I've got my indicator here. Let's have a little look. Yeah, so you can see this white dotted line there is the Fibonacci target. So this is the 1618. So you can see if this does kind of come into fruition, this is going to be a really, really nice area to then potentially sell. So we're looking to buy this. Ideally, we catch it all the way back up here And then we start to look for selling signals somewhere up here to take advantage of maybe a pullback down to here, and then possibly even lower. If we are going to go down towards 30,000, then we'll probably break this channel line, and we'll start to get scared. The fear index will go higher. Everyone's going to be like, oh my God, Bitcoin is disappearing. And, at some point, probably in the next 1 or 2 months, the market will reverse and go and break its all-time highs, hopefully with you. So if you're listening to me regularly, then there's a good chance that you are going to, essentially stay in the game long enough to see those gains that I'm, really hoping for you, because they are going to happen, and it requires patience, guys. But if you don't know how to trade, this is the time to learn. Learn the skills to trade. And if you do know how to trade, this is the time to trade, build up your account, and then you'll have a much bigger pot. So even if your portfolio is taking a hit, if you grow your futures account, you're going to have a nice, much bigger pot to be able to place when the market is ready to go up. So that's kind of, what I'm doing right now. I'm looking for these kind of setups. I've got another one in Ethereum, and I'm mostly focusing on Bitcoin and Ethereum. It's more than enough, it's more than enough to get the returns that I'm looking for. But of course, if you've got more time, you can certainly go through more cryptos. But in my opinion, just trading Bitcoin on its own, or just trading Bitcoin and Ethereum, is probably enough for you to be earning, enough money. And there's enough opportunities. Remember, it's all about risk. Risk managed correctly. Try and get yourself a good reward to risk on your trades. And if you're risking 2-3% per trade, you could potentially be making 4, 5, 6% per trade. That can quickly grow your account. All right, guys, that's all from me today. I hope you got value from that. I hope you got inspiration, so you can start getting into this yourself. Do comment below. Let me know if you've got any questions, or let me know what you've been doing. If you've been trading, if you're kind of sitting on the sidelines, if you're investing. I'd love to connect with you just to find out, where you guys are. Do go and check us out on the Crypto and FX Traders Club if you're not already part of that group. And make sure you subscribe to the channel and like our content if you're enjoying everything that we are doing. Wishing you the greatest of days. Good trading. Catch you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.